Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best CPUs for video editing that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for a reliable CPU to handle your video editing needs, stay tuned. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the AXPXO PC desktop with the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 GT processor. This system is designed for users who want a reliable machine for light video editing, office work, and general multitasking. Packed with a 6-core, 12-thread Ryzen 5 5600 GT CPU running at 3.6 GHz, this desktop offers decent performance for its class. It features integrated Radeon Vega 7 graphics, which is sufficient for light rendering tasks, though it does fall short for more demanding workflows. The design of the AXPXO desktop is functional yet stylish, with an ARGB quad-copper air cooling system that not only keeps the CPU temperatures in check, but adds a dash of personality with customizable RGB lighting. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1 TB NVMe SSD, this system ensures smooth multitasking and quick access to files and applications, but it does miss out on dedicated graphics for heavier workloads. The build quality is robust, and the inclusion of solid-state storage is a plus for fast boot times and load speeds. If you're looking for an affordable option with decent specs for casual video editing and everyday tasks, the AXPXO PC desktop is worth considering. However, the integrated graphics may not meet the needs of professional editors working with 4K or complex timelines. Pros include efficient cooling, ample storage, and a sleek design, while cons are the lack of a dedicated GPU and a slightly outdated processor compared to competitors. At number 4, we have the LXZ Gaming PC desktop, powered by the Ryzen 5 5500 processor and GeForce RTX 3050 GPU. This desktop is a versatile option capable of handling video editing, gaming, and general multitasking with ease. The Ryzen 5 5500 features 6 cores and 12 threads with a base clock of 3.6 GHz, offering solid performance for mid-range editing tasks. The RTX 3050 GPU, with its 6 GB of VRAM, delivers excellent rendering capabilities and supports technologies like real-time ray tracing and DLSS for enhanced visuals. The LXZ desktop is not just about performance. It also scores high in aesthetics. With its 3-sided glass panels and customizable RGB lighting, it's a visually striking system. Inside, you'll find 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1 TB NVMe SSD, ensuring smooth playback of high-resolution footage and fast data transfers. The system also features an efficient cooling setup with 5 RGB fans, which maintains stable performance during long editing sessions. This desktop is ideal for intermediate-level video editors who want a balance of performance, aesthetics, and value. While it's a great all-rounder, the RTX 3050 is an entry-level GPU, which means it might struggle with extremely heavy rendering projects or 3D workflows. Pros include its dedicated GPU, sleek design, and ample storage, while cons are its slightly limited GPU power for advanced editing tasks. At number 3, we have the Bossgame P4 Lite Gaming Mini TC. This compact powerhouse is equipped with the Ryzen 7 5825U, an 8-core, 16-thread processor that can boost up to 4.5 GHz. Although it's marketed as a light gaming PC, its specifications make it a strong contender for video editing, especially for those who need a portable solution. With integrated Radeon 1900 MHz graphics, it's capable of handling light to moderate editing tasks and supports software like Premiere Pro and Photoshop. The standout feature of the Bossgame P4 is its portability and design. Weighing just 2.2 pounds, this mini PC can easily fit into any workspace. It also supports triple 4K displays, which is a big plus for editors working with multiple monitors.
With 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD, it ensures smooth multitasking and fast access to large video files. Connectivity is another highlight, with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and dual 2.5 gigabyte LAN ports for seamless networking. This mini PC is perfect for editors who need a portable yet powerful machine for on-the-go editing or tight workspaces. However, it's not designed for heavy rendering workloads or complex 4K timelines. Pros include its compact size, excellent connectivity, and generous RAM. It ensures smooth multitasking and fast access to large video files. Connectivity is another highlight, with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and dual 2.5 gigabit LAN ports. While cons are the lack of a dedicated GPU and limited thermal management due to its small form factor. Finally, at the top spot, we have the CyberPower PC Gamer Master Gaming PC. This desktop is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5500, a 6-core, 12-thread processor clocked at 3.6 GHz, and the Radeon RX 6400 GPU with 4 GB of VRAM. While it's not the most high-end system on the market, it strikes the perfect balance between performance and affordability for video editors who want to create high-quality content without breaking the bank. The design is simple yet functional, with a tempered glass side panel that showcases the internal components and custom RGB lighting. With 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM and a 500 gigabytes PCIe Gen 4 SSD, it offers fast storage and smooth multitasking capabilities. It also comes with a full suite of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, and multiple USB ports, making it a versatile option for various setups. This desktop is perfect for beginner to intermediate video editors who want solid performance at a reasonable price. While the RX 6400 GPU is not the most powerful, it's capable of handling 1080p workflows and even some light 4K editing. Pros include its affordability, dedicated GPU, and reliable performance. While cons are the limited storage capacity and slightly dated GPU technology. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.